Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, so we're going to do a little tutorial on how to crochet hair. I'm going to be using the Bob Marley hair. Mind you that this pattern here is a week old from a previous hairstyle that I had. If you have not watched that video, please go ahead and do so. I had like the, I think it was the white and black hair in. But girl, my hair fell out in church. I did not have a good grip on my hair. So I don't have time for that. So we're just going to put in the Bob Marley and start a new style. Enjoy. But for right now, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial because your girl needs to hurry up. All right. So what you do is, now mind you, I have space because this is a week old. But if you're just now putting rubber bands in your hair, then you will not have this much looseness. Okay, so you're going to use this, put the hook under the braid, come all the way out. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like all the way out. You're going to get your hair of your choice, put it in between, put it on the hook, and then sorry, the camera cut off on me. So get the clamp, pull the latch down, pull it out. Woo! What the heck? Okay. Oh, that hurt it. So get the loop, pull the hair through one end, make sure it's even out some, get your jam so that you can straighten out. You may have to tighten your hair down just a little bit. I'm gonna get a little bit of gel just to put on the ends and make it extra straight. And then what you want to do is start wrapping your hair around. And I like to wrap mine really tight, so that way you cannot see the braid at all. Okay, so it should look something like that. So I'm gonna do it on this section. Get your, pull it through. All right. Make sure it's inside the hook. Should look like that. Pull the latch down and pull it through your hair. Ooh. Oh my gosh. This hair is kind of thick. I never had this problem, so I'm not understanding what's going on here. Alright. Alright, make sure you get your own hair. Put a little bit of jam or gel on it and start twisting. Now you might be able to see like the rubber band. It's up to you if you like that or if you don't. I don't know how to cover that up, but yeah. And just braid it all the way down. Alright, so I'm done with all the braids. Girl, I tried to add some extra hair in there, but yeah, I don't know. I might just leave it in. My second favorite mousse, my number one favorite is Nairobi. I will do my edges and come back on camera. But I'm just gonna flatten this down just to smooth it out so I have a nice canvas in the morning. I might come back and show you guys when my makeup is done, okay? Yeah. Okay, it's time to go to bed.